In the future, everything will be connected: transport, people, buildings, in an Internet of Things. The world will be more intelligent, smarter. The world is rapidly changing, so when it comes to structures, it's vitally important to take control of your asset's future, today. A smart city needs smart infrastructure, and CPRO can provide a complete design, service support and product package to assure future structural performance. If the aesthetic is to appear healthy, then the vital sheet and cover organs need to be protected for its whole life. We stay connected through the monitoring of corrosion, remote control of performance and the integration with wider building control systems. Through internet access to clever sensors, controllable anode solutions and the inherent capability of our alkali-activated geopolymer cementitious materials. Keep your asset happy by keeping it healthy and strong, as good as new. Get the most of a healthy building by making it smart, networked and intelligent. CProbe, being smart in our decisions, makes the future more certain.